Now we'll take you through a move-in inspection. Select New Move-In. Here you can attach a picture of the property to coincide with the address. Enter the address of the property. If it is a half address, type 1/2 to indicate that. You'll notice the default city and state are already filled in. Double check that all this information is correct before you continue, because it cannot be changed after this point. Hit Submit to continue. To identify residents, select the red box titled Resident 1. Here you can enter the name, phone number, and email addresses of each resident. Co-signers information can also be added with each resident. The email addresses will automatically be added at the end of the report when you're ready to email the final inspection. Select the red box to minimize. To add additional residents, select Add Resident in lower left corner, and another red resident box will appear. To delete a resident, select Delete Resident in the lower middle. X's will pop up next to all residents. Select the X on the resident you'd like to delete. You can change the resident information in later inspections. Select Continue when done. This is the item list. You see the standard template, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property. For a detailed look at how you add a room, please see our video, Add Item in Room. Let's start with the front yard. First, select the item. This takes you to a condition list. Select all the conditions that apply. Hit Save and Continue after each item inspection. You'll notice a check mark appears after each item is inspected. Water meter readings are now part of the inspections. It's listed under Front Yard. Here you can enter the meter reading using up to 18 characters. Just note the reading will override any conditions that are marked on the water meter. In addition to the listed conditions, specific notes can be added in the notes section near the bottom. Here's where you can add photos if you'd like to show specific damage. To take a photo, select Add View Pictures. Take a picture or choose from the album. When you take a picture, you can either use it or retake it. Then you can continue back to the inspection form. Continue working your way through the entire inspection. Please note, if an item is unmarked, it won't show up in the final report. For example, if there's no fan or vent in that room, don't fill out that section and it won't appear on the report. When you've filled out all applicable rooms and items, select Continue and Export PDF. Select Move-In Inspection. You'll see a check mark appear. Then choose if you'd like pictures included in the report. Slide the toggle on to add them, then select Generate PDF. PropertyPal will ask you if you'd like to view the report, which is recommended. On the final report, the company logo, property address, inspection date, and time, as well as the legend explaining the conditions, are all listed at the top. Scroll down to see the notes with coinciding numbers listed at the bottom. The photos will be at the end. When you're finished reviewing the report, select Done. This takes us to the signature. To add the agent and resident signatures, select the agent or resident's name. Touch the inspection button above signature box before signing. Tap in the center box to begin signing. To delete the signature, select Clear Signature at the bottom of the box. Select Done in the bottom right when you get the right signature. When you've added all the signatures, select With Signatures under Create Inspection Form. An email window will pop up with the PDF version of the report already attached. Notice the residents, co-signers, and default inspectors' email addresses have already been entered. You can add as many recipients as you like. Send when done.